Hello everyone, welcome back to Data Studio4U. This video is about comparison of noodles from different countries of the world. So let's start. Noodles from Argentina. Noodles from France. Noodles from Brazil. If you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Noodles from England. Noodles from Belgium. Noodles from Croatia. From which country you are watching our video, share with us in comment section below. Next, noodles from Netherlands. Which noodle packet is from your country? Tell us in comment section below. Noodles from Portugal. These are the noodles from different countries of the world. Noodles from Italy. Noodles from Spain. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Noodles from United States. From which country you are watching our video, share with us in comment section below. Noodles from Mexico. Noodles from Morocco. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Noodles from Switzerland. Which noodles are your favorite? Share with us in comment section below. Noodles from Germany. Thai curry. Noodles from Colombia. Next country, Uruguay. Noodles from Uruguay. Noodles from Denmark. From which country you are watching our video, share with us in comment section below. Noodles from Japan. Noodles from Senegal. Thanks for watching our video.